I got sick of dishwasher tabs not dissolving and switched to sheets.
Sheets versus tablets dissolve test. I'm going to add both of these to cold water. As you can see, the sheet has started dissolving immediately. On the other hand, the tablet is barely dissolving. These tablets can contain harsh chemicals like bleaches and dyes. They struggle to break down after the wash and can harm aquatic animals. These sheets clean just as well as these tablets, cost less than 32p per wash, and biodegrade in water, leaving no trace at all. Make a difference today and head to wearedip.co.uk. Oh, and I almost forgot. These bags can't even be recycled at home. Just check the back. These are both recyclable and compostable. Grab yourself a pack now. Tap shop.